Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. So today we are going to do a new experiment. So we have to, this needed requirement is that sulfuric acid and potassium permanganate and cotton. So at first we have to add sulfuric acid and potassium permanganate. So let's just. So I have added sulfuric acid and next I'll be adding potassium permanganate. After adding potassium permanganate, we have to make that a solution and so as you can see, this have color change and now cotton will be adding. So let's see. Yes, come.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Now I am going to add cotton and it will catch fire very instantly. Let's see.
Hey.
Now dhamaka watching is going to be.